So I'm here. Kobe crash site. Once again, I come here all the time. Right behind me is where this helicopter, you see the ridge with the blade all the way down. But I'm right behind. I hiked all the way up this mountain. Man, I love Kobe. Lower Marion, I'm wearing his high school jersey right now. Show you. All the way. Yeah, I brought my dog with me. My 2 dogs and my wife this time. But, yeah, all the way to this ridge. We love you, Kobe. I'm gonna be building a memorial up here. Yep. All the way, that was the helicopter from where they removed the jet fuel contaminated. Kobe, we love you, man. I'll never forget you, bro. Never, bro. You was my idol. Be another person like you. Rest in peace to Kobe Bryant, Gianna Bryant, the others that lost their life. I'm over here at the spot where the helicopter went down in January 26, 2020, when we lost Kobe Bryant. This helicopter was coming down, going across into Thousand Oaks to the basketball camp, the Mamba Academy. Everybody subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, but I will be building a memorial right here in honor of Kobe Bryant. God bless you. Pacman. Rest in peace, Kobe Bryant.